everyone, it's me, Miguel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and turn my phone notifications on. Today, I'm going to be unboxing Bop It. I went to Walmart yesterday and I bought Bop It, the game. It says, try me, twist it, pull it, Bop It. So here we go, let's open it. So, what you get are some instructions. And then so let's open it. Alright, let's see. Cover tape off. Alright. So I'll just unbox it, you guys. Hold on. Oopsie. Hold on, you guys. Sorry. I'll come. Hold on. There we go. I'll come back when I'm done. Alright, you guys, I'm back, and here we go. So what you do is you need to play the game. So here we go. So listen. So you have to follow the command, and if it says bop it, you go like this, twist it, you go like that, pull it, you go like that. And see what your high score is, so let's go. Solo. And then there's also pass it to play with friends.
Solo. I score 15.
15. We'll go.
Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Twist it. Twist it. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it. Bop it. Pull it. Pull it. Twist it. Bop it. Bop it. Bop it. Pull it. Oh, I remember my first time playing Bop It. Score 15.
So I got score 15. So there we go. And that's how you play Bop It, the mini
Bop
version.
It to start.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video of me unboxing Bop
I'm going
It.
to sleep.
Okay, yeah, whatever. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what other games and fun videos would you guys see me unbox next. And make sure to subscribe to my channel because I only have 7 subscribers. So make sure you hit that big subscribe button. And comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up and turn my post notifications on. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.